Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2015 Suzuki GSXR750. This super sport just arrived with only 16,000 miles, fuel injected, liquid cooled, inline 4-cylinder. She's got adjustable levers. Come on by. Make your super sport dreams come true with this awesome Suzuki Racing Team Colors GSXR 750. It's in fantastic condition. Price to sell just $91.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.